Hello everyone, today we're going to have a correct me if I'm wrong video about taking good care of this fancy goldfish. This is my tank. It is a 15 gallon tank with accessories. Those stones I bought from the pet shop, and these big stones got from the ocean. I also have shells from the ocean, and I have bought also live plants. It is already damaged. I don't know why. Maybe they eating it. These green ones are the live plants, bought from the pet shop. And this violet pink, it is plastic, bought from the pet shop. Also this mini decoration, and that picture at the background is also bought from the pet shop. I also have this filter oxygen machine. It's placed on the top. It's very dark. I bought this light. This light over there. Okay, this is. Now we will begin. How I feed my fish. First, about 7 in the morning, Monday to Friday, 7 in the morning, and when I go back from the office, 7 p.m. twice a day. And I got my pellets, feeds from Tetra for growth of goldfish. I usually gave them two. About I'm going to get the food in one, and put it there, then two, and put it there. Look, they think that I'm giving them feeds. They really know when I'm doing that. Now they trick. Now I'm playing now. 2 times a day, but every Saturday and Sunday I feed them thrice. Also, but I feed them one for the morning, one for the afternoon, and one for the evening. That's how I feed them. They really like it. They love me, really love me. The temperature of the water, cold. Not that really freezing cold, but it's cold. Yes. I don't have a thermometer inside my aquarium, and also heater, because I search for the guided temperature of a goldfish, but they say they are cold-blooded goldfish, so I didn't buy any heater at all. So that's all. Then cleaning the water. I cleaning the water every week, but it depends on my mood. the water eventually evaporate for 2 weeks about that amount, and I just pour the new ones with the clarifier solution. I don't know, I just pour it. Then if I have in a good mood, maybe thrice a month, every Saturday or Sunday, I vacuum the stones because those are very dirty. I can see it very dirty because the poops of the fish are getting in here in the stone, so I don't know. And I also noticed that the rocks like this, is it algae? I don't know, because look, it is forming that it is white, and suddenly I brush it off when I do vacuum the stones. But I can say they're happy about what I am doing about them, so just correct me if I'm wrong. And one more thing, I also get the filter here. It's dark filter here. It has a foam, local foam, 25 pesos. Yes, they're very happy. I don't know, I'm not sure about it, but I think they're happy. Look at them. It's already 11:52 in the evening here in the Philippines, January 4, 2013. They're happy. So that's all. Please take note of what I'm doing. I'm taking care of my goldfish. If I have mistaken or anything, please remind me. 15 I just summarize it. I have a 15-gallon tank. I have 2 hammerhead goldfish, 1 oranda, 1 celestial, and 3 Ryukins. I don't know if this is Ryukins. I don't know. Maybe they're Ryukins, little ones. And that's all. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Okay? Thanks. Good night. God bless.